A crazy ending to set number 1. You know, yung set point ng Lasal, napakatagal nilang hinawakan.
Yup, pero ang Ateneo really tried their best, but eventually Lasal just also staying patient. Hindi naman sila na-rattle din, But
after 2 timeouts of Coach Ramil.
And I think dun sa second timeout, talaga nag-draw up na nawa ang play si Coach Ramil. Noong una, pinabayala, sige, wag lang kayo, siguro, kumbaga, gusto niya lang i-relax yung team. But on the second timeout, kita ko nagdo-draw up na siya ng play.
Ateneo gets the first point here in set number 2, but what were your observations, mostly from set number 1?
Well, set number 1, Ateneo still having a hard time with their first ball. So, kasi pag nakaka-set up naman sila, just like that, nakakapundol sila. But in many times in that first set, parang broken play ang nangyayari. While on the other side, Lasal naman is risking it, going for end lines, and they were, well, rewarded in that first set, getting that first one.
2-0 tayo dito. Let's go to Laura Lehman real quick.
Boom and Mosey, last time the girls faced DLSU, their errors were obvious. They simply could not receive, and really it was defense that killed them. But when I talked to the girls, they also said that the real problem extended far beyond technicalities. In that last matchup, Ateneo was mentally defeated. They lost confidence, and really their whole aura just dilapidated as the game progressed. It was a sad sight to see, but the girls also learned the most important lesson of the season. Whatever happens, whatever obstacles, they have to stay happy, and that is exactly how they recovered at the end of that last set. Now, this is also why they wore bright tie-dye shirts during warm-up, and it is also why Maddie Madaya is watching. Back to you, Boom and Mosey.
Thank you very much, Lau. In the meantime, your team is up by 2 here, 3-1. After Eliza Valdez, again, finds again in that spot. Inabangan na siya.
Na naman. Oh, actually, musog na si Sid eh. May adjustment na dun sa position ni Sid.
But it was just a bullet. And Galang answers with a bullet of her own.
Right, and it has been really Ara Galang.
Hey, this is
since the first set for Lasal.
This is the Ara Galang that we seen in previous years. Yung aggressiveness, ano?
Alam mo, siguro siya iniintay niya lang din, Kung halimbawa wala namang gagawa talaga. So, yeah, katulad today, stepping up.
Different angle for Valdez. 3-2 is our score. That's Kim D.
Through the blockers of Ateneo.
Let's go to Janine Choi this time from the LaSalle side.
Boom at Mosey, nakausap ko si Coach Ramil de Jesus at sinabi niya sa akin na isa sa pinaka-importanteng bagay na gusto niyang makita ngayon ay ang pag-enjoy ng koponan sa paglalaro. Dapat na andun ang kumpiyansa sa sarili at hindi dapat magpadala sa crowd ng kalaban. Idinagdag ni Coach Ramil na lahat naman ng coach ay gusto ng easy win. Pero ang lagi niyang sinasabi sa koponan ay kapag manalo sila sa Ateneo ay hindi magiging madali ang laban dahil base sa stats, hindi nagkakalayo ang Lasal at Ateneo kapag skills ang pinag-uusapan. Balik sa inyo, Boom at Mosey.
At pinakita natin yan, Janine, nung ating pre-game, ano? At dun lang talaga nagkakatalo sa digging and receiving. In the meantime, Galang again. Tan was there this time. Valdez from the back row, too low.
Yes, that was a low set for Liza Valdez.
Lasal looking to repeat over Ateneo and looking to sweep them in the elimination round, which they haven't done since season 75. That was the last time Lasal won 2 games in the elimination round against their arch rivals Ateneo. Fajardo.
Baka natin nakikita si Fajardo na pagdating sa atake in this match so far. Alam natin lamang na naman si Fajardo. Isa siya dun sa mga attacking setters natin. Along with Gia Morado, of course, on the other side too.
De Leon scores in that one.
Solid hit right there for Bea. Something that they really need in this game. Oh, nice serve.
Galang made the adjustment and almost made it in, and it rolls out. So Ateneo with a 2-point lead.
Parang medyo naalangan kasi siya dun sa pagkakaset ni Kim. It's not that high for a differential set.
Reyes. We haven't heard a lot from her also. One of the graduating students. By the way, let's make a correction for the pregame, which actually we talked about off the air, no?
Yeah.
We knew that Kim Fajardo was still going to play 1 year.
Parang may 1 year pa yan si Kim Fajardo.
Yun yung alam natin.
Siyempre, it's also her decision if
Of
she
course.
still wants to play it out.
And sa graphic natin, graduating siya. Pero
syempre,
na-confirm din. Na-confirm din. Nilinapitan tayo at sinabi na, oy, si Kim is playing 1 more year.
And I'm sure na yung buong Lasal community talaga gusto pa nila na si Kim definitely maglaro pa ng isang taon and they'll finish her UA 8 years.
Maraginot touches or not hits the antenna on that attack. Ahumiro. That's a roll. That's her new, or no, sorry. That's the role she goes back to. And she was, by the way, going to her weak side, which is tougher.
Parang may pagka-fade away.
Correct.
Yeah.
Going to the opposite hand. Flying to the opposite hand. 7-6. Galang from the back row. Tan pops it right back up. Maraginot with her approach.
Maraginot through the blockers of Lasal.
So 8-6 Ateneo ahead in the first technical timeout of the second set. Oh, Andre Caragot, Wench Chu, was that Wench Chu?
Aljun Valesco.
And Cathy Bersola.
Nagsiscout pa to?
Oh, teka. Which reminds me, sabi natin, pag-uusapan natin yung implication nung panalo.
Yeah.
ng
Ikaw,
UP
Ned.
kanina, no? Dahil po nanalo UP kanina, NU has to win their last game
Right.
to have a chance for at least a playoff between them and UP. Now,
And NU's game is against
LaSalle on Wednesday. If NU loses, UP automatically takes the number 4 spot. If NU wins, regardless of the outcome of this Ateneo LaSalle match, kasi LaSalle nga kalaban ng Wednesday. If NU wins, we have a playoff, I think, on Saturday for the right to be number 4 to meet whoever will be number 1.
And again, in the beginning of this tournament, sinabi na natin yung parity, di ba, in this season. Ito na nga, umabot hanggang dulo.
Dulo-dulo.
Di ba? Hanggang last game natin, yung implication ng standing natin.
Na hanggang ngayon nga, hindi natin alam kung sino number 1, number 2, or number 4.
Yep.
In the meantime, tabla tayo. 8-all. Coach Ramil is complaining about something here.
Yes,
right?
I think yung second ball kanina na sa Ateneo. Trying to say it's a violation already.
Morado. Maraginot gets that through the block.
And Maraginot again, you know, Maraginot has been challenging the blockers of LaSalle. Hindi pa niniiwas eh.
Yeah. Makatini over-receives that one, so it goes to Ateneo, but it goes to, the point goes to LaSalle after that broken play once again.
Miscue on the side of the Lady Eagles. Walang pumunta dun sa second ball.
Nanonood sa atin sa Alberta, Canada, Vancouver, Canada, and everybody all over the world at buong Pilipinas.
Ang dami ko nga nakukuha mga tweets at mga Texas, mga Dumaguete, Iloilo, Bacolod. So, again, thank you for watching.
Tsaka ang daming bumiyahe, Mosey, just to watch, at gustong bumiyahe, just to watch
alam natin yan,
this
yung mga
match.
nagpapadulong sa atin sa tickets kung pwede lang talaga.
Dito kami nagbebenta.
Gusto ba namin talaga?
Wala po kami niyan talaga. Tabla tayo, sorry, that tie was broken by Kim D, 10-9.
Oh,
S to the block.
and that was a difficult open hit from Valdez.
That's tough.
Yes, look at this set.
That's where she comes from. Look at where she takes off.
Ang layo ng pinanggalingan coming from the back.
Fajardo chooses Baron. And Baron sends it to Amy Ahumiro. Coach Ramil loved that one.
Yup.
You saw his reaction?
Yes. Very quick on the quick hit. Najo Baron.
Good reception by Maraguinot, which leads to this one.
And a combination play. Eliza Valdez on the tail end.
Some mind games going on between the two coaches right now. There's a lot of, if you're, not here in the venue, there's a lot of body language going on between the two coaches. Little glancing at each other every now and then. One's dancing, one is pumping his fist in front of the other. So it's very interesting. As Maraguinot flies,
Maraguinot gets that to go. Si Demesilio, sabi niya, mukhang outside na yun. Let's take a look at it once again.
Wow. Maraguinot.
That was so fast. Hindi natin na masyadong nakita, but nevertheless.
Oh, what a play by LaSalle. Ang ganda ng bawian natin dito. At ayun, yung nakita ko, ngiti na naman si Coach Ramil sabay glance dun sa kabila. Ang ganda eh.
Look at this combination play. Ito, medyo mahirap ulihin, lalo na kung walang blocker na nagagaling from the other side. Empty on that combination.
And first ball problem again for Ateneo, which gives the lead to LaSalle here, 13-12. What a match so far. Round number 2. Tails out. 13-all. LaSalle ahead by a set. Valdez serves.
And then Eliza Valdez.
I like that double quick combination from LaSalle.
Cross court again by Aragala.
Hindi talaga mabantayan natin yung cross court hit ni Aragala. Look at Aragala again, go for an angle. Iniwasan yung dalawang blockers na Ateneo.
So good. She's really so good at it.
She's been going there like from the start of this match.
Tan again got a hand on it. Maraguinot. Sid Demesilio. Don Macandili chasing it. That is an Ateneo point right there. 14-all.
Right, but good effort there from the LaSallians. Look at that save. Giselle really doing everything
He's really
to get
stuck.
that first ball.
Here in the second round, he's really stuck with Giselle Tan.
Yun na naman yung blocking na Ateneo. They have to be committed. And Maraguinot, right into the net. They cannot give LaSalle only one blocker at the time. Kailangan nga dalawa ng dalawa. If not, kung pwede pang triple block.
Their own version of the combination play. Ahumiro drawing the blocker. And Maraguinot, sabi nga natin, 45% success rates or so.
Very high.
From 43 in the first round, umangat pa ng 45 in the second round. We got, the top scorers, the top blockers here, the top servers of these. Di ba nandito yung mga...
Preset?
Oo.
Oh, and again, Joe Maraguinot getting that open hit point.
16-15. Ateneo with the lead. Second technical timeout. Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa loob ng Mall of Asia Arena. Kinargahan ng konti nito si Joe Maraguinot. Celebration from Coach Tai.
Second-year player. Ito nga si Joe Maraguinot.
Just like
Espejo.
Oh, no. Mga future of volleyball, men's volleyball. Dan Pineda is always present.
Yeah.
Always with a smile.
Yes, correct.
Doc Ian Laurel nanonood, pero...
Nagpabati talaga?
Oo. May suhol eh.
Ay, ang daya ba't niya wala ako? Oh, Doc
And Desiree Cheng.
Desiree Cheng. Now is also watching. Yan pa nga, wala pa sa lineup na DLS.
Diba yung problema rin sa tuhod.
Yes, correct.
Inihatid ni Macandili yung bola. Ngayon naman nasa Ateneo. Maraginot na naman, and Galang was there to dig. Demesilio. It's through the block.
Right, Sid Demesilio going through the blockers of Ateneo. And you know how Sid likes it. Gusto niya medyo malayo sa net.
Yes.
Mas nakakaposisyon siya well.
16 serving 17. Graduating Bulacan.
Oh, that was well read. That was well read by Lasal.
Sid Demesilio made sure they knew about it too. Look at the reaction of Sid after. Baron got the hand. Sid was like flexing her muscles. Roller coaster of emotions in volleyball. It's just amazing when you watch it. And we are 17 all. Far from what happened in set number 1.
Oh, and another erroneous first ball.
Service ace.
That's an ace for Mika Reyes.
Like I said, we have the 2 best serving teams, although Reyes is not in the top 10, but both Ateneo and Lasal are really good at that. Second best blocker of the league on your screens. Second only to her teammate, Majoy Baron.
Right into the net.
Crucial yun, 18 all.
Yun ang masakit, ano, yung game at this level. Yung ganun, yung nakakaroon ka ng service error. It goes for both teams, actually. Right, kanina. Kasi sobrang freebie. Sinigay lang talaga, walang kahirap-hirap.
Demesilio is blocked this time. Oh, they're going to give the point to Lasal. Somebody touched the net. I think it was Alyssa ang tinuturo ni referee Yul. Ayun, yung elbows. Mahuli, malas. Menosa and Jeff Lopez ang ating referee, second and first referee, respectively. And another point, going back to your point.
This time, Kim Fajardo letting that sail away. Yun ang mahirap if you're going for really strong serves. Laki ng risk eh.
Parang you're killing your own momentum. Kanga. Coverage by Macandili has been great. And Baron finds a spot to nudge ahead 19, make that 20-19.
Majoy Baron on that read quick at just swiped it.
Suminit muna eh. Kitkitan tayo dito sa set number 2. Again, another great read.
Right. That was a red play.
Coach Ty will call a timeout. Coach Ramil with a smile. He wants to talk it over also.
Get one na. One go na. Hey, one do jump set. One more na. One go get. Let's go guys.
So DLSU nudging ahead at a very crucial time of set number 2.
Right. Again, banking on the offense from Majoy Baron and Ara Galang.
Galang. Maraginon. They open to Alyssa. Oh, Demesilio had a hand on it. Chance for Ateneo here. Balik kay Alyssa.
Oh, but this time off the long point. But alam mo, si Coach Ramil naka-smile pa rin siya kasi nakita niya na bantayan pa rin ang blockers. And si Sid also finally adjusting to the down the line hit of Alyssa Valdez. Now it's a full front line for Ateneo.
Ara. Macandili, again a splendid job for her coverage-wise. Fajardo able to get one hand on it. Galang does that, but this time, mali yung tama.
And you can see LaSalle, they're really trying to tire out the blockers of Ateneo. Diba yung swing nila from left to right
Okay.
ang atake?
Oh, a surprise here as Pauline Gaston comes in
Timeout De La Salle,
for
ladies
Ateneo, and
Lakers.
Coach Ramil wants to call a timeout. The chess match continues between the two coaches.
Pag hindi natin napatay, hindi natin mabuti nga yung tao nyo. Kanya-kanya, Joy. Sino mataas ang percentage? Ha? Sino nasa harap? Sino nasa harap? Okay, good. Wala na. Sino mabuti, ha? At sino mataas ang percentage sa papatay ng bola? O, dito, double na kagad dyan. Himalan nila yung dalawa yan.
21 all, and the first quote-unquote adjustment or surprise is from the side of Ateneo. Pauline Gaston comes in.
At 21 all, ah.
She's the younger one.
Yup, she's the younger one.
Yes,
There is
because,
the
the older
one.
sister.
Yup.
For what purpose kaya, Mozi? What do you think?
Well, defense-wise, pero frontliner din eh.
Liza gets it back. De Leon sends it home.
And De Leon nailing that one in. ito yung gusto yata ni Coach dahil look at
It's
the
perfect.
celebration of Pauline Gaston after that hit.
Men's coach
Oliver.
Ateneo, yes, in attendance. Galang goes for the angle.
And
And they're going to give it to Ateneo.
that's right. Ateneo went for a triple block.
They did.
Galang trying to avoid that triple block. Going wide on this hit.
Coach Ramil, I think, is
Asking for a
complaining about
net violation.
He's very disappointed right now. Calls a timeout. Ateneo surges ahead. 23-21.
Nawala yung discard natin. Okay? So, paluin. May coverage tayo. Nawala tayo ng atake. Nawala tayo ng dapat kasi ano. Ayos na lang sa natin. Hindi na mabuti. Hindi na nasa kundi si Gaston. Hindi makakapag yung hit lang. Ha?
Well, the fans of both teams have gotten into their own competition here. Both
Sabog tayo
teams.
sign language na
Oh.
pag gusto natin pag-usap. Sobra. And they're really cheering their lungs out. And we're just in the second set.
4 straight points for Ateneo, by the
Right.
way. We said that LaSalle surged ahead at a crucial point. That was at 21-19. Ateneo now at 23, serving 21.
Advantage kasi ng Ateneo, they have a full front line. But finally, Baron once again putting a stop on that run by Ateneo.
Good timeout by Coach Ramil. Service goes to them. Baron and Hekiliana will come back for Pauline Gaston. Was that just to throw a curveball to
Pwede.
LaSalle?
Yeah, just to make Coach Ramil think a little bit.
Tan, De Leon, nakuha ng LaSalle. Balik kay Galang. Tan keeps it up. Maraginot sends it, and Hekiliana will serve it to a free ball for LaSalle. Malakas para kay Mika Reyes.
That's right.
Now it's Eliza's turn to complain and talk to Jeff Lopez, our first referee. Remember, the captains have the right. 24-22 set point for Ateneo to try to tie this one. D.
Oh,
That's
too
out.
wide.
It's out.
Right wide on the on
And we're tied at
And Ateneo,
1 apiece.
for the first time, wins a set.
Oh,
against
yeah.
LaSalle.
Oh, nga, in the elimination round. In this
This year.
season.
Yes,
yeah.
this year.
Yep.
And as the saying goes in sports, we've got a ball game. 25-21, 25-22. Round 2 of Ateneo Lasal is on.